So when you're talking about the structural isomerism, so most of the things we already studied, that is, 4 5 type. First one we studied the chain one, chain isomerism, which was the differ in the carbon carbon chain. Okay, that is the first one. When you are talking about the second one, when you are talking about same one, that is we study the position isomerism, where the position was the different for the double triple bond or the some other thing. Third one we study, that is functional group isomerism. Functional
Yes, sir.
group isomerism. This is the functional group isomerism, where the functional group was getting changed. Next one, when you're
Yes,
talking about the fourth one, that is we study, that is metamerism. This we also cover, where the alkyl group what differ. Fifth one, what we study, that is ring chain isomerism, where the carbon, cyclic chain get differ. Ring chain. Okay, this was the chain, not the change. Ring chain isomerism. So that was the fifth number. That is we already cover. One more is there. A special class is there. That is sixth number. That is tautomerism. Tautomerism. Okay, this is the tautomerism.
okay.
These two, when you take, when you are practicing, these two are only in the NEET. These two are not in the CBSE. It is only in the NEET
Yes,
and JEE. Okay, not CBSE, not in CBSE. It is right. So ring chain isomerism already we discussed. Today we are going to discuss that is tautomerism. So let us try to move.
yes,
Tautomerism.
sir.
Tautomerism. Okay.
Yes,
This
sir.
type of isomerism, this type, these types of isomerism is in dynamic equilibrium. Dynamic dynamic
Dynamic.
equilibrium. Dynamic equilibrium means continuous changing. I am writing
Yes,
continuous changing. Continuous changing.
yes, sir.
Dynamic equilibrium with each other. Okay, each other. So if
Yes,
anyone is
sir.
continuously changing from each other, that is what is known as tautomerism. You know, tattoo. If you are
Okay.
going tattoo, that is keep on changing. This is the keep on changing. So this is this is continuously changing in each other. So when you are talking about what are there, that is only one type is there. That is the keto-enol tautomerism. This is there, keto-enol tautomerism. This is also known as one example is there. This is the what example. Example of the tautomerism is what? That is in the syllabus. It is there keto-enol tautomerism. It means that is one keto form will be there. Keto form, and it
Yes,
will be in the form of the dynamic equilibrium with the enol form, enol enol form, and this is going to be tautomerism. Tautomerism. Tautomerism means that is we can say dynamic equilibrium. That is it will continuously changing in each other equilibrium. When you are talking about the example, how can you be able to draw the example? Let us try to draw any one of the examples. Suppose I am having this compound is there, CH3, C double bond O and CH3, right? This is the keto form. This is the keto form. But what is the possibilities there, Jana? That it can change into that is CH3, then COH. This is going to be, here is the OH double bond CH2. This is double bond is there. So in OH group is there enol. So this is going to be enol form. So this is going to be keto form and this one is enol form. Now, if you see the molecular formula, everything you will find the same. Here is carbon with 3, hydrogen is 6, oxygen is 1. Here is carbon is 3, hydrogen is 32516, oxygen is. So molecular formula is same. Molecular formula is same. But what is going to be differ here? That is differing in what? That is keto form is converting into the enol group. Ketonic group is converting into enolic group. How? This is the keto. This is what is the keto. Keto. And here is that is E and OH. This is what is, that is enol, keto and enol. So this is what, no, this is what is, that is tartomerism. This is going to be what? Tartomerism. No, this is going to be keto-enol tartomerism. Are you be able to understand this? This will be continuously changing. I'll tell you the mechanism, how it is happening. Firstly, have a look over the mechanism, how it is happening. Here is the 3 hydrogen I am mentioning. That is 3 hydrogen in the open form. Otherwise, you can mention in this form. That is what? HCH2. And here is C double bond O and CH3. This is there. And here, if you are going, let us try to write down, that is here C, single bond C and C. Now, when you are talking about oxygen, how many valence electron is there? How many valence electron? How many valence electron? Janab, how many valence electron?
Sir, which one? 6.
6 valence electron. This is the 6 valence electron. So 6 valence electron means 2 electron used in the bond formation, 1 and 2. This way. So how many left? 1 and 2 are being left. So what is happening here? This lone pair electron is attracting this one, hydrogen. And then
Yes,
when
sir.
it is attracting, so this bond is shifting here. So now see what is going to be happen. Here will be double bond will be there. Here will be, that is what will happen. Here will be, that is OH will be there. Here how many left? CH2, and here is CH3. So this is what is, that is known as what? Keto form. Little tough, but you can understand. Keto form, and this is going to what? That is enol form. Keto form, and this is going to be enol form. Yeah. See. Can you understand this?
No, sir, I can explain also.
Hmm. Hmm. Here is hydrogen is going here, right?
Yes, sir.
And if hydrogen is going here, so it means what will happen? This bond will be shifting. How can you be? It's quite tough to you to understand this. Quite tough to you to understand this. What I'm
Yes,
saying,
sir.
the lone pair electron, whatever they are now, they will attract this H plus. This is the H plus, partial H plus. So this is going to attract. So if it is attracting, so it will convert into what? OH group, yes or no?
Yes.
One hydrogen and one oxygen, that is OH group. Now
Yes, sir.
oxygen maximum bond is 2. So 1, 2 is there. What about the carbon? If you see carbon 2, 2, 4. Let us try to go with the other example. Maybe it is possible, that is it. You can CH3, C double bond O, and here is H, right? Now I am changing this compound. If I am going to change this compound, so what I am going to do here, this compound I am writing this way, or what, how can I write? CH2, here is the hydrogen, here is C double bond O, and here is H. Now I am going to change. Here 2 electron will be there. Are you be able to understand or not? This lone pair electron.
Yes, sir.
Because 6 valence electron is there, 2 involved in the bond formation, 4 left. So this electron is attracting this one, hydrogen. So suppose this attracted the hydrogen, so what will be there? C, and here will be OH. Here is OH. Double bond will convert into single bond. Yes or no? Because oxygen valence is 2. So 1, 2. Now carbon valence you check. Here 1, 2, 3. Here is 2 hydrogen, 1 bond. So what we need to do here? Can we put the double bond?
Yes, sir.
So this is the what, that is double bond is in, and OH group is there, all enol form. It will be the enol form.
All.
What about this one? This is the keto form. Keto form. Here you can go, that is, it will be, that is CH2 double bond C. Here is OH, here is H. So this is going to be what? Keto, and this is going to be what? Enol. Are you be able to understand this?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Little bit it will be little bit
Yeah,
tough.
it's a little bit tough.
Okay. Wait, I am seeing you some more example for you, so that you can have the look over it. I find you. Yeah, got it. Hello. So I'm erasing. Can I erase this one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let us go on the another one. Here is one more compound is there, Janab. Here is CH3 draw enol form. Question is draw. Okay. They are saying enol form, draw enol form. So of this one compound CH3 CH2, and here is what is there, CH3 CH2. Here is C double bond O, and here is H. Okay. So they are saying that is draw the enol form. Can you draw the enol form? This is the alpha carbon. The first one, alpha carbon. That is called alpha carbon. What is alpha carbon? I am writing this one, alpha carbon. The carbon attached with functional group. Carbon attached with functional group. Carbon attached with functional group. Okay. Carbon attached with functional
Yes,
group.
sir.
So that is what is this one? This is the CHO is functional group. So this is the alpha carbon. And the hydrogen, you need to memorize the hydrogen.
Yes,
Hydrogen, alpha hydrogen. The alpha hydrogen is hydrogen attached with alpha carbon. Hydrogen attached with alpha carbon. Attached with
that will alpha carbon.
alpha carbon. So the two alpha hydrogens are there. These two are the alpha hydrogen. Now that is one note. Also, I am writing the one note. It will be helpful to you. Note: alpha hydrogen involved in ketotide. No, alpha hydrogen is involved in keto-enol
Yes,
tautomerism. Keto-enol tautomerism. Keto-enol tautomerism. That you need to keep in mind. Alpha hydrogen is. So what will be the, this is the keto form, because why this will be the keto form, Jana? Because this is what ketonic group now. This is the keto group.
yes, sir.
Keto group. Draw the enol form. Can you draw the enol form? Enol form. Draw the enol form. Jana, try to draw the
Yes,
enol form. Tell me how to draw the enol form.
wait, sir. I'm trying.
See, enol.
This is keto form, right, sir?
This is the keto form. In means what? In means
Yeah.
double bond required. All
Double
means
bond
what?
required.
OH
CH,
group is
double
required.
bond.
Hmm.
Yes.
So what will be
CH3,
CH3? Very good.
double bond.
No, not double bond here. Here will be CH.
No, CH2 double bond.
Here.
C double bond O. H.
This is the enol
Hmm.
form.
Yes, sir.
This is the enol form that you need to practice more and more. This is only in the NEET now, so it may be little tough to you, but I'm giving you too many examples. You want, if you want to write, please stop me now. I will stop.
Yes, sir.
Can I move?
Writing.
Can I move like next page? Can I erase, Jana?
Yes, sir.
Question is also, which is enol form? Question they are asking, which is enol form? Which is enol form?
Sir,
This is the question I am going to do. Which is enol form? That we are going to understand.
okay.
Of which is enol form of this one. This compound is already given. Here, wait. Here is the double bond who is there. They are asking which is enol form. This is the compound. So if you see here option they have given, Option are like
Yes,
this.
sir.
Here is the OH group. Here is double bond. B option they have given. That is the, here is the OH group. Here is the double bond. C option given both A and B. Both A and B. And D option given, that is they are saying this one. Not here. Double bond they place some other places. Here they have placed the double bond and here is OH. Now they are asking which is the correct option. Please tell me the correct answer.
Which is enol form.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. Sir, wait, sir, wait. One, two. Wait, sir. Can you do the number?
Yeah, 6 carbon is there here. Don't get confused here. This is the 6 only.
Yes, sir. Sir, I think both A and B.
Both A and B you are thinking. Both A and B is correct only. But you need to understand how it's
Yes.
happened. Double bond is there. Here will be lone pair electron. Each places hydrogen is there. Here is also hydrogen. Everywhere hydrogen is there. So this hydrogen is shifting here, taking this hydrogen, and this bond will shift here. So see the structure. What will be the structure here? Double bond of oxygen will convert into single bond. It will take OH. Here will be the double bond. So this is what is enol form. Enol form.
Yes,
Other or also one more possibility is there. Here what we can write, Janab, here is double bond O is there, and here is hydrogen is already there, 2 hydrogen, because carbon valency 4 na, so 1 2
sir.
3 4. So this lone pair electron can attract this hydrogen, so this bond will shift out. So here you see what the structure is going to be like. So here will be, that is OH group, and here will be double bond. So this is keto group, this is going to be keto, and this is going to be enol. This is going to be keto, and this is going to enol. So that is, you see in the A number option this is given, and in B option that is this is given. So what is the, which is the correct answer, Janab?
Sir, both.
Both A and B. So option number C. If you want to write anything, you can write, please.
Yes, sir. Wait, sir. Just one minute.
Mhm. Over. Over.
Yes, sir. Wait, sir.
Okay. Okay. Can I erase? Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which is in all form? Again, the similar question. Which is in all form? Of. Which is in all form of this compound? Here the, now this type the compound have the little bit change. This is there. Here is there. Double bond is there. Here is double bond is there. Now here is the double bond O. They are asking which is enol form. Half.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is A number option they have given. Here is the double bond. Here is the OH group. Okay. B number option they are saying.
Yes, sir.
Here is the OH and here is double bond. C number option they are
Yes.
saying. Here is the O double bond, here is OH. D number option, none of these. None of these. Tell me.
Sir, the option C, I guess, sir.
C is correct only. How can you explain, Jana? Option C, how can you explain C?
Sir, I can't explain, but I know.
Yeah, very
Sir,
good.
it means that I'm unable to explain.
Huh. See, that is what that is. Oxygen is there, here lone pair electron are there. You know very well here it will be the hydrogen are there, 2 hydrogen. Because carbon valency is 4 means 1, 2 means 2 hydrogen will be there. So this is going to attract here. So this bond is going to shift here. So now see the another structure what will be there here. This is here is going to be double bond. Here is the O and that is H. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Are you sure?
Sir, once more, please.
Is it okay now?
Sir, once more, can you explain?
Can I explain one more time? What I'm saying, Janab,
Yes.
this is the alpha carbon. This is alpha carbon. And this is the alpha hydrogen. So this alpha hydrogen participate in this one. So O will attract this hydrogen. So it will convert into OH group. Then this bond will be shifting here. So that will become the double bond. Hydrogen is the
Yes.
bond line formula. No need to represent. 1, 2, 3. Hydrogen is here. One we are not
Sir, one
representing.
of the hydrogen will go up. One is alpha, one is carbon.
Two hydrogens are there. So one is
Yes, I'm
understood.
getting confused. Sir, once slow. Sir, once a bit slow, can you explain, please?
What I'm saying, there are mechanism is not important. Mechanism is not important. Don't try to get confused here. Wait. Here, what I'm saying, see, this is the compound is there. Double bond O. So how many hydrogen will be there on this is carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
2, 3, 4.
How many hydrogen are there on
5,
carbon
5.
2?
5. 5, sir.
No, 1, 2. 2 bond are there. Carbon valency is how much? 4 bond. Carbon valency is 4 bond. Tetravalency. So 2 bond is there.
Yes.
1, 2. So how many hydrogen required here at 2?
2.
2 hydrogen required. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about the position number 5? How many hydrogen?
Sir, position 5, 2.
2. Everywhere
1.
there is 2 hydrogen. Here is
Yeah,
also
2, 2
2
hydrogen.
hydrogen. Here hydrogen. Here is also 2. Is it
2
okay?
hydrogens. Yes.
Huh.
Yes.
What I'm saying here, lone pair electron will be there or not with oxygen.
Yes, sir.
Oxygen is 8, so 2 and 6. 6 bond is there, 6 electron. So 2 electron involved in the double bond formation, 2 are left. So what will happen? This electron will attract this hydrogen. Electron is attracting the hydrogen. So what will happen, Jana?
Okay.
What will happen here? You see this compound
Electron is attacking the hydrogen.
attracting the hydrogen. So what will happen?
Okay.
This will be OH group. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here will be lefting what CH group. And here is this bond. If hydrogen is gone, so this bond will be shifting here. So that bond has shift
Yes.
here. Now another groups are as it is. CH2. Here is again CH2. This is the same. Now
Yes, sir.
this we can represent. Sometime we represent this form. We represent directly here like that. You know this one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is. So
Okay.
these and these compound are same. These both are the same.
Yes,
Now understood?
sir.
Now understood?
Yes. Yes, sir. Wait, sir. Just let me note it down.
Please, please, please.
This is a bit tough topic, sir, comparatively. देखो नहीं निकालेंगे, अच्छा दिख रहा है। ओके निकाल दे मैंने। नहीं ना तो मैं नहीं निकालते। इरेजर है हाँ
Done over.
No, sir.
Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now you see what we are going to do next one. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
One more example I'm giving you. This one, if you can draw. These are the NEET question they asked in the NEET exam that I am doing only. Now they are saying this compound they have given. Okay, here they are having the bond. This is also something like that, double bond O. Okay, no, which is
Yes,
enol form of it, which is enol form of this, enol form of this. They are asking the enol form. They have given the option A. I'm writing the option. You try to find out the option.
yes,
Option,
sir.
option A is like that. CO, here is double bond, here is OH. They have given. B number option also given. This one is given. Here is like that, double bond, here double bond. And here is single bond, here is OH, here is double bond. C number option, they are saying both A and B, both A and B, like that, both A and B. D number option, they are saying here, that is the A1, 2. They have done like that. And here is OH. They are asking which is correct. Guess Jana, which can be correct. See, this is the alpha carbon. This is alpha carbon. This is also alpha carbon. I told you only alpha carbon involved. Alpha carbon involved. Alpha carbon and alpha hydrogen involved. Alpha hydrogen used. So this is going to be beta one. So you let me know which is correct one. This is alpha. This is alpha. This is beta.
I think
Option.
wait, sir. Sir, I think it's option B.
Option B. Both are correct. Option B is very much true. Okay.
Yes.
This is the most probable. Most probable. PRO.
Yes, sir.
Most probable means most stable.
Means
Most
like,
stable.
sir, can you differentiate between this option A and option B?
So this is correct one is both A and B. But when you are talking about differentiate, I am erasing some of the option here. And how I can differentiate? Okay. So here, if you are diagrammatically doing here, you see this I am having. This is there. Double bond is there. Nothing we have to do here with this one. Here, if I am going this compound, that is we are having double bond O. Janab, you tell me, this is the position 1, this is position 2, this is position 3. How many carbon hydrogen will be there with the position 1? How many hydrogen will be there in the position 1?
Sir, sir, 2.
2 carbon. Here is the carbon is there. Here is
Okay,
the
1 carbon, 2 hydrogen.
2 hydrogen or 3 hydrogen. You tell me. Carbon valency is 4. 1 bond is there. So how many hydrogen required? Because here 1 bond. So how many hydrogen required?
1.
Janab, 4 bond, na dear, 4 bond, beta, 4 bond.
Yeah, sir. 1 carbon, 4 bond. Yeah, sorry,
So
sir.
4, so 1 bond is there here now. So 3 hydrogen, if you put here 3 hydrogen, then it will be valency will be finished now. Yes, yeah, no. 1, 2, 3. Yes, yeah, no.
Yes, sir.
Little bit confusing. So this electron will attract hydrogen. So this bond is shifting here. So see the compound. What will be the
Yes.
final? We are not changing the rings. Ring is as it is. So here is the this one. Here is the double bond now. Yes, yeah, no. Double bond CH2. And this convert OH group. So B number option, is it okay? This is the B number option.
Yes, sir. Yeah, B is correct, sir.
B is correct. Similarly,
Yes.
if you see what I am going, here you see, Janab, you tell me here one thing, please. You tell me, this is 1, 2, and this is 3. How many hydrogen will be on the position number 3? At carbon 3, how many hydrogen required? Carbon valency is 4. So how many hydrogen we need to put to maintain 4 valency? How many hydrogen required here? As like you say that is here, you said that is 3 because 1 bond is there. So you said that is 3 bond. Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen.
Yes, sir.
So what about this position? What about this position? Tell me.
Sir, over there.
How many hydrogen required?
There is
How many?
2.
2. Very good, very good. Are you understanding, Janab, little?
Yes, sir. I'm understanding little, but not that deep. It's like,
Ah,
sir, I can understand, sir, but it's new, so, sir. I'm feeling a bit problem.
So see, this is the also alpha carbon because it is attached with the CO group now. So this hydrogen can be attracted. How it will be attracted? Here you see, I am erasing this one. Now you try to understand. 2 electrons are there now. The one hydrogen will be attracted by this. So bond will be shifting here. So see the final structure. This will be something the product is looking like here. Here is C is there. Then again here is double bond, here is, and this will be OH. So this is the A. You can check out. This is the A. Similar structure. No, this is the A is this one. This is the B. B already we done here. This is the B. And this one is the B. No. We have done this one. Here is the B. This is B and this is the A. So A, this compound is equal to A. You can check. This is similar to this. You will find that same. Yes, yeah, no. This compound and this compound is same. You can mention the star. Here is this. Both are the same. And if you are doing but this one, if you are mentioning has and this one has, both are same.
Yes, sir.
So our answer can be A and B both. But most stable will be this. Why? Because double, single, double is stable. Here is double, single, not stable. Which is stable? Double, single, double. Wherever the alternate double and single bond is there, that is stable. So this is most stable, but both are the keto enol
Sir,
tautomerism.
your voice is not coming properly.
Now is it going?
Sir, your voice is getting stuck.
Wait.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, your voice is getting stuck.
Wait.
Again, sir, it's getting stuck.
I think network is now is it okay? Now is it okay? Now is it okay, Janab?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can I erase this one?
No, sir. Again, it's breaking, sir. And your video also got stuck.
This one happening. Wait. Is it clear? Is it clear now? Is it
Now,
clear?
sir, it's clear.
A little bit, maybe the network.
Yeah, sir, now it's clear.
Okay, okay. So this is what all about the keto enol tautomerism. Janab, what topic is there in the next in your book? What
Yes,
topic
sir.
you want next? Next topic. What you want next topic? In book, what topic is next?
Next topic, sir. Sir, can you like teach me? Wait, sir, I'll let you know, sir.
Which one? Which one?
So, sir, from tomorrow onwards, other chapter, right?
No, this chapter is there. You
No?
see, yes, yes. In this GOC, so many things are there. So
Yes,
many
sir.
things. So many things. Okay.
Wait, sir, I'm seeing you. Just
Uh-huh.
1 minute.
Uh-huh. So you check that is IUPAC over IUPAC
Hello.
isomerism. Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm listening, listening.
Hello, sir.
What is problem, yeah? What happened to the network?
Hello.
Yeah, wait. Now is it audible? Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Sir, I want chemical. Yeah, sir. I want ionic equilibrium.
You want ionic equilibrium. You want this chapter to teach ionic equilibrium, yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So your voice.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sir. Now I can hear your voice. Yes, I want ionic equilibrium.
Okay. So whatever you topic you are saying that I am teaching you, okay? Because in GOC some more topics are there, but what the sir said that is you teach according to her, okay? So I am teaching you according to you only, na?
Yes, sir.
One last topic is there is Janab, stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism, it is
Okay.
also there only in NEET. This is also only in NEET. So as you are preparing for NEET, I am telling
Okay.
you.
Sir, can we do that tomorrow?
Acha, you want
Yes,
tomorrow?
sir.
Okay, tomorrow. So
Yes, sir. Actually, we have a party today, so that's why.
yeah, okay. You can go, please. Okay, no problem. All the best. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you, sir.